Maxim's on his first bike ride around the neighborhood. How's it feel?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
We got orange training wheels on a red bike.
Training wheels.
For some reason, Christian just takes off and disappears, doesn't he?
Take off. We'll take off. Yay! We'll take off. Where's the last box house?
Keep riding. We'll find him. He's probably down here. He's probably down here. Don't run me over. Don't run me over.
I'm not. I'm going to go.
Ride. You're doing good. Ride. Ride, cowboy, ride.
I don't have one. I don't have one.
Ride, Maxinka, ride. Ride, Maximster.
Okay.
The Maximster.
Now we made it.
Where are you going, Maximster?
We made it.
You made it where?
After
How old are you, Max?
8.
Tell us how old you are.
8.
5.
5.
No, you're not. You're 4.
4.
You just turned 4 years old and you're riding a bike
Yeah.
with training wheels. You'll get your confidence up.
Okay. There are no cars. No. That's a car.
Yep. Look at me. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.